That is the beauty of life. You know that this girl is running. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the inspiration. Good morning to all of you. Today is 3rd of November, 3rd of December 2019. People are running, people are walking. This is life. This is exuberation. This is exuberance. This is the beauty of life, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you. You know, this is beauty. You know, there are a lot of people running. This gentleman also running. Great. God bless this man. God bless. Oh, that's great. Somebody is doing something. Just feeding the animals. Feeding the dogs. He's doing the exercise, you know. So, daily 10,000 steps. That is the medical prescription. Daily 10,000 steps. Physical activity, physical energies must. No waiting, no sedentary lifestyle. Invite all the diseases. If you sit and sleep only. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the prescription. I come back again, WHO prescription. You know, this man is also in the black. He is also running. That's the greatness. Good, great. मजा आ गया. You know, that's that's great. You just see covering with a handkerchief. Handkerchief is your defense in the pollution. The first line of defense for you, because you know, if you close mouth, no bad eating food, no bad air inside, no bad water inside. So we'll be fit and healthy, and that's what this gentleman was doing, ladies and gentlemen, covering his mouth with handkerchief. Handkerchief is our culture. It's the culture of Indians. It's the culture of Kashmiri Pandits. So, tissue paper, forget about tissue paper. Generating the waste. No recycling of the tissue paper. Nothing, just generating pollution. Use and throw. Then generating a lot of pollution. So what is the solution? Pollution against solution. That's the handkerchief. So ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. I sign off here and run. Running is life. Running 10,000 steps. WHO prescription. Thank you. God bless. Just see, I sign off in this. Cleanliness is godliness.